You know, say a while ago me a juggle. Me no bring no bus load and no truck load. Me love on the people. But see right about now in the clash here, a bad people time I know. And you see right now, me come to start that thing I know. Me come with war in my blood. You see Trooper no bus nobody. Me and no politician, but me respect Bruce Goldie window. Step down and give another youth a chance. Trooper, you move greedy in that business. Job now on ya. Trooper!
We can't take credit.
Everybody, I know. You see Trooper?
I will sell out like one of the markets guys right on people.
Trooper!
See? Someone say.
Don't friend! Trooper!
No one gonna go.
What?
No one gonna believe.
Laugh at me, I know. Trooper! Me a talk to the people and from around here, so. Up there, so. Up there, so. Trooper, big up Bounty Killer rate him. Everybody will say Bounty Killer, respect all. Everybody will read Bounty Killer, do one in the air. Just the one.
They insisted.
Well, Black Cat no business, Trooper you dead. We try to hold the peace, but why bust in our head? But I decide to rub out from head down to said. We no business, the whole of them gone from Trooper leave, Charo nothing not one. Come and put up resistance, tonight him a go bam. See, they know the one, get down. Yellow, Lou, you're mad man, Trooper so mad man. All over your top.
Turn up here. Turn up the one you know. Turn up the one you turn it up, turn it up. Lord Mama! Love me. Big up to everybody when they are tonight to come to see a real clash. Jump on me, can't tell us something. Jump it.
I'ma tell you this. You can't dump me on my mouth.
Jump on.
Can't box me on my feet.
Jump on.
Them can't.
Wire.
All you want for no puff and no guan.
Balance. People, Trooper drink up this one bag of Hennessy and go up on YouTube. And I chat these things. Me not bring no bus load. Me not bring no truck load. Jump it.
Yeah, watching a Black Cat sound. Sniper King representing. Yeah,
listen.
His sounds are greatness. You know, Black Cat is a sound of straightness.
Listen,
you know
listen.
Cause we not stay like some big waste man selector who drink up a bag of liquor and go up on YouTube and shut off them face, you know.
Trooper.
This a war and a peace.
Kill soul.
Why are they not?
Ricky Trooper abates.
Kill soul.
Yeah. Ricky Trooper are dead in the clash tonight. Clash tonight, them a go crash tonight. After we kill you, then we snatch your wife. Make your family visit your candlelight. Kill them in front of Kingston people. Trooper old and tired and feeble. You can't come in a clash and no play big.
Trooper!
Ricky Trooper, big waste man.
Why?
Wanna say about Black Cat 5 for 5 songs? Wanna say about Black Cat? 5 for 5 continues right now. Ricky Trooper, Sound Trooper.
People. I know winning come for win. If not come for win, me come for win tonight. Me a killer, and me come for win. Yo, me want to listen this and listen Ninja Man drop it.
What's new, pussycat? What's new, pussycat?
Yo, listen up. All who promise them dead. Ninja, turn it up.
Pin them in the one. What do you feel like?
All who promise them dead. I'm not here. I'm tell Black Cat something.
Say you can play the last W. You have said Black Cat tonight. Me say you are gonna lose your life.
Yeah, man.
Watch ya.
Black Cat.
And if you ramp with Sound Trooper in a dance, you're bound to death tonight.
Man, a killer. Me a real killer. Chinese Benevolent Center here. Back it to you. Black Cat. You know what I'm with Sound Trooper. Go.
Listen this. Me got the permit for bury and the license for kill. This Sound Trooper, you feel.
Get on.
Ricky Trooper, big bad worldwide selector from 19. No longer hear some boy going them strong, and I know them strong. You know. Hey, keep me to myself because watching the sound I got dead tonight. Watching easy walk over, man. Rhythm track, we'll show them how to. Let them on champion soccer, Ricky Trooper international team, marshal a partial like the other, them can't cross the border. Let them bounce out to make the keeper get around. Black Cat and anyone go dead. One from Guinness buckle on your head.
You hear that?
I said anyone go dead.
Yeah.
Trooper come for run, them red. We're not gonna let them go. Yes, we're gonna kill them tonight. We're not gonna let them go.
People, let me tell you something. Black Cat, one general there. You come chat about the all.
disrespect
Look how me
them,
look
I go
young.
black and
Me
blue,
a
tell
80
them
and
come
me
true.
moving.
The veteran
All
a
who
come
come
true.
with the black
Look
yard
up
and
the
the
picture,
right
look
here.
them every avenue. Early in the morning when the rain start to back it back. Man, to play about champion King Ricky Trooper. Hey, Trooper, don't laugh for them boy, you know. I say, all who know black cat, them for dead, put up your one. All who know panther, I go dead, put up your one. Because killing black cats, we kill them for fun. And killing panther, we kill them for fun.
Stop! People, a lot of people may come here tonight. I want to hear about Ricky Trooper. Say, big up Pink Panther anywhere there. Big up Squinching anywhere there. Big up Toady Mataran anywhere there. Big up Firelinks anywhere there. And we are the dinosaur them. And big up Bigger Tough, them youth there. Me have to big up China Irish to take the dancehall sound clash thing to a next level. Big up Guinness. It won't time the clash are going. And now me know you're boy play the bujo, you know. Ladies and gentlemen, that's why I'm flying this evening. I wanna, yo, it's a United States Air Force jet bring that W. It a come from Texas to kill them. Bujo!
Did you prepare yourself properly this morning for the competition that lies ahead? Do you get up and run the marathon and make sure that you're in retrospect? You gotta be! Not one this! But wrap it up.
Yeah! Bujo! Get back here!
Ricky Trooper! Tell them! Feel the tournament, feel the clash. I'm on one at an for this rap. Can't touch up the one if I see line me back.
Yeah! And it's a proper!
And if I clash, you ready for the act. And if I black, you're third up with that.
Stop! Easy walk over. When we are killed, so we kill. People! Some sound. I'm a final song. Listen now, no. Listen. Come on, a butt selector. Some sound have some wrong name. Some sound boy have some wrong name. I will never give my sound name Black Cat. You know what a cat is? Eh? Oh, you know what a cat is? That part of that lady. Listen, yo, look what's a simple tune I kill them. Chop it.
Not because it's a clash. Trooper. You know, there's nothing worse than bad luck.
Listen.
And what is bad luck, people?
Listen.
When you see one black cat, no bad luck. When you see black puss, no bad luck. Eh? And how can you name yourself a cat and use a man? I wonder if them name Pussycat Dogs.
Yeah, it's all about Davis Cat.
Listen it.
Don't think that I'm slack.
Listen
Listen to me, club on the verse and say that. Oh, sing. I sing. Watch out. But every birthday, so Debbie went to the gift shop. She gets a gift and I rope them rap. But now Christmas come, Debbie she know want that too. I go down at the gift shop. Debbie say, she have a little kitty cat. Debbie say the little cat fluffy and fat. She say she have to hide the cat under her frock. I say boy out of road till the cat them a go stop. Me ask her what the color and she say the cat black. The cat black, but kiss me head back. Them say black cat a dopey, but me have to hold that.
Yo! 5 for 5 round winner Summer Sound Trooper. Shamir, it look like a cold Guinness alone out of fire, Shamir.
5 and 5, Walshy. You know the competition can only get hotter from here. Let's hear from our judges. Colin Hines, your comments on that round, please.
All right, now, very quickly, this just seems like the tale of two cities, because one sound seems inspired and on fire, while the other seems a little on the lukewarm. Let me go through the songs. One got a Bounty Killer dub. The DMX song threw me for a loop. And then there was a Cartel song, a dub plate on the darker shade. And then the One by One dub got a minor forward. But Black Cat seems a little uninspired to me. And even in the selectors, the mic man's body language, he's not coming to the center of the stage. He's not taking charge of you guys. And swag is very important in a sound clash. Trooper, on the other hand, played 4 dub plates. And most impressive of which were the Junior Cat dub, and the Kilfifon dub, and the Bujo was also a linchpin, but the single most damaging song in that round was a 7-inch 45 single by Mega Plow called Debbie's Cat, which just goes to prove that a 45, a regular record, can do major damage in a sound clash.
Thanks, Colin. And Jenny, what you thought?
All right, me not go long. Me not take long like you your analysis. But me just think say Cat has suffer from jet lag. It's tired, it boring, it just lack everything for a clash. And me very disappointed because what we attack some country thing, right? But no, me never like Trooper start neither another segment here. The juggling round was stronger. Look here, it never starts strong. But when the brother decides say him go throw it up, you know, him never hold back no punches at all. No, he was very confident. I love how he takes charge. I love that. And that's another thing. He must open a competition. Start the bag of apology about where they are for love and thing. It's a clash. No more thing. Just take it to him and charge. Take charge. No, I want to make sure as well. And it is very obvious that Trooper did his research. He did his research. There's intelligence in the mix. I will love that. But I have a charge against Trooper. Never you take it from a woman. Worse, a woman named Energizer Body. Never you underestimate the power of a cat.
Thank you. The judges are talking about bag of things. Now, Walshy, over to you and your Serato Challenge Delivery round.
All right. So, one. So, you heard the judges. Of course, everybody in the crowd, keep your scorecard. You understand? Now, we enter the next round of the competition, which we call the Serato Challenge Delivery of the Week. Earlier on, I showed the video, but I will explain. This week's challenge that we gave to the selectors here on the stage. Of course, Jamaica is embarking on 50 years of independence. All who proud to see Jamaica reach 50 years of independence, put your guineas in the air, put your hands in the air. Yeah, that one is the wickedest one. This challenge is the two selectors have to play the Bada Festival song. All who know festival songs, give me a signal again, yeah. All who know the music and the culture. All right, so, Serato Guinness Challenge Delivery this week is the two sounds must play a Bada Festival song, then the other sound. Argument and the wickedest song are going to win that round. Yeah. So, Black Cat started the last round. Ricky Trooper and Sound Trooper are going to start that round. Yeah. This is what we call Serato Delivery Challenge of the Week. 3 songs each. One song. Ricky Trooper, play a first song.
People. You know what them say out of every bad come good? You know? Guinness clash, year before last, beer things, mega foreign, lose the visa, through them say, YouTube and Rere, saying, but America is just one place. Me I travel all over the world, see and we are. And me love Jamaica roll without end. All who love Jamaica, them can't deport me from here. Play the Eric Donaldson there. Yo! Me love Jamaica, talk!
This is the land of my birth. I said this is the land of my birth.
Hear me, the people. Right now we come have to start it away here. We are come from way down in the country. I may not bring the truckload of man. May not bring the bag